Hey everyone, my name is Kevin Richardson and welcome to my channel. So if you're interested in learning about engineering or business, or maybe just general self-improvement, or a combination of any of those three, then you're in the right place. I've spent the last 8 years as a college student as well as a mechanical engineer doing my various co-ops, internships, as well as part-time and full-time positions, managing projects and so on. I've also spent the last 2 years building my own business, a business that came out of my research during my master's degree, and so since then I've learned as much as I could about building my business, and we're starting to get into the nitty-gritty of it. So I'm still in this process, but I just want to find a way that I can share my experiences and lessons learned with others, as well as maybe document some of the adventures along the way. So if this interests you, please, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, all that social media jazz. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Thanks.